That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet, and today we're out on the streets picking up strangers, offering rides to whoever we may encounter. We are helping out the down and out. Hey, you want to ride along? You want to see what it's like? Go ahead, hop in the back seat, and let's go for a ride. Hey, man, you need a lift?
I'm just headed to Centerstone. Do you know where it's at?
Yeah, hop on in, my brother. I'll give you a ride.
I'll call you back, okay?
Hop on in. Your toes got to be getting a little frosty by now.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, pleasure's mine. Pleasure's mine. Hop on in.
I just had a chocolate milk.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I got food stamps.
Oh, well, that's cool. What do you got going on today?
Well, I just left a Christian program to go to Friend's place, so Bev Ringer's going to help me get into Friend's place today.
Oh, okay. Are you a man of the cloth there? You attend services regularly?
Well, yeah, we went every Sunday. It was at Wheeler Mission. We was taking care of the guests as our job. We're volunteers.
Oh, how about that?
But it was so much pressure there.
What kind of pressure did they lay on you?
Well, people were borrowing money that I didn't really, I wasn't supposed to give them any money, but I couldn't tell them no, so I was giving them money, and they were smarting off, and I was the boss. And then, like today, the straw that broke was I had about 5 minutes to relax in my bed, and the guy comes in there and says, "Get out of bed." So I was like, well, he left, and I said, "All right, come back and say it one more time," but I couldn't wait on him, I just left.
What, are you like a trustee there or whatever?
I was called an SLT, servant leader in training.
Oh. Well, hey, that's important work there. Yeah. I mean, that place it's got to be a three-ring circus there, pretty much. Isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, there's a couple weirdos there every now and again.
Yep. Yeah. Sure is. Even they get in the program sometimes.
Is it a lot of drug addiction, that kind of thing?
Oh, in the ESS, there's a lot of it. I heard. I haven't seen much of it, but you smell a lot of pot around there.
Very, very few sober moments.
Yep. Yeah, and a lot of drunks there too.
Oh boy, what do they like? Show up hammered once it starts getting dark?
I've seen them almost fall over in the kitchen.
Well, do they still let them in, or do you have to be like sober?
Yeah, they let them in. They don't drug test them or give them the breathalyzers. We get breathalyzed every night, but.
So do they pay you a little bit for the work you do?
No money at all. But
you just get a place to, you get a bunk and a locker and all that kind of thing?
Bunk, and then we get like a 3-drawer dresser thing. Free food. We get to go to church on Sunday.
Well, how long you kind of been on the streets? Has it been a while, or?
The last time I was on the street was before I went to prison. That's been about 2 years ago. I've been in the program for about 120 days.
How long were you in the joint?
A year and a half.
You didn't like rob a bank or something, did you?
No, I intimidated this guy with a knife because he was trying to take my campsite. I'm glad you knew the way because I almost got lost. I didn't know if I was supposed to turn to the next light. I was going to anyways.
So did they like throw you in the big house? Were you in like Wabash Valley or?
Yep, Wabash.
Huh. Well, how were the accommodations there? Were they?
Oh my gosh.
Were they commodious?
It was 2-man cells. It was a level 3, and they kept telling me I was a level 1, but they put me in a level 3 because it was a mental ward there that they could have me at.
Oh, it's like real life. One flew over the cuckoo's nest.
Centerstone?
Oh, I know it's down here somewhere.
Yeah, that's it. I'm pretty sure. I knew because they was working on the area around it. But yeah, they had me in a level 3, and it was terrible, man. There was a bunch of murderers in there and everything.
Well, how was the food? Was the food decent?
No, they did. They barely feed you anything in prison.
Well, you couldn't complain to the warden or anything?
No, well, I bet you probably could get by with it, but I never tried to. I never ventured to do that. Can you let me off at this stop sign?
Yeah. How about your cellie? Was he decent, or was he like snoring all night?
I kept changing cellies. One was pissing on the door.
Oh, geez. Here, I'll just pull over here so we don't get rear-ended. What was his problem?
He peed on the prison door.
Oh, he got the. You gotta. It's the.
Okay.
It's a Korean car. The Koreans make great cars, but I didn't catch your name. What is it? James, right on. Hey, look for me when you see me out and about.
Okay.
If you ever need any help with like filling out your like rapid rehousing thing,
okay.
I'm pretty good at that kind of thing.
Awesome, man.
Like I said, my name's Zook. Here, flag me down. Sure you don't want a Pepsi for the road here?
I'll take one.
Yeah, there
Thank
you go. You know what, why don't you take 2 and then give 1 to somebody?
All right.
Now, that's like paying it forward or whatever.
Thank you.
All right, my brother, you
Have a good day.
take care. And like when you see me, flag me down. I'll help you.
I hope I can remember the car because I'd like to talk to you again. It was good to meet you.
Absolutely. Look for me, brother. Look for me.
If you see me, will you flag me down?
Indeed, I will.
Right.
Hey, it's going to be a great summer.
Yeah, thanks.
You keep rocking. All right. Look at that. That looks like a guy who's obviously had some problems. Probably has some anger management issues, that kind of thing, as they say. And he's getting involved in helping the homeless population. It sounds like he's a volunteer over at the mission there, the barracks where the homeless people stay. So to that, I say a big hearty ding ding.
Hey, what are you doing?
You doing all right?
Yeah. Are you busy?
Yeah. Are you doing okay today?
Yeah.
You want to pop?
Yeah.
What? Are you taking care of yourself?
Yeah.
Where'd you sleep last night?
Over in an apartment complex.
Oh yeah, everything going okay?
Yeah. You got a brush?
No, I don't. I don't have a brush.
All right.
But hey, flag me down if you see me. I'll help you.
Thank you.
Hey there, you need a ride?
No, I don't.
Are you sure? I'll take you wherever you want to go. It's free. If you want to get out of the cold.
I'm just walking because it helps me. It's
Oh.
been bad mental health day.
Oh, is there anything I can help with? What's on your mind? You want to pop? I'll give you a pop. Maybe that'll cheer you up a little bit. You want one?
Thank you.
What's your name?
Kiana.
Kiana? Okay, Kiana. Hey, if you ever see me, flag me down. I'll give you a ride or help you out however I can.
Oh, thank you.
Does that sound reasonable? Okay, Kiana, you take care. Look for me. Hey, man, you need a ride somewhere?
I'm fine.
You doing okay?
Yeah.
All right, didn't mean to scare you. You want a pop? I got a pop here for you. It's free. What's your name?
Narissa.
Narissa, you doing all right, Narissa?
I'm fine. How you doing?
I'm happy, healthy, and terrific.
What's your name?
I'm Zook.
Zook.
Yeah, well, if you see me around town, flag me down. I can help you out. I can give you a ride. Or you got a place to sleep tonight?
I sleep out here wherever, yeah.
Well, why don't you go sleep over at the mission? It's too cold to be out here by yourself.
Yeah, I'll think about it.
Okay, I want you to look for me, okay?
Thanks.
Did you go to church this morning?
I went there for breakfast.
Oh, well, good
Yeah.
for you. Good for you. Okay,
you.
I'll see you later. Look for me.